guys, make plantain and yam porridge with me. So these are all the ingredients that I've used for this meal. I'm going to list everything in the caption, but I'm going to put it here just in case. So the first thing I use is my cubed yams and plantains. You can see mixed well, everything is in here. Next thing is my onions and my pepper. I'm using this dried pepper that dried myself. You can get this from farmers markets. It's online. I also leave the links in the description as well. So yeah, this is how it is, and I'm going to just quickly blend them both. So put them in the blender and add a little water because of the pepper, it's dried like I said, and then it's fully blended at this point. I'm just roughly chopped it rather, so I'm just going to turn it out. That's what I'm going to use for this recipe. Looking good. Next thing is my ground fish powder. So I just keep this and I use it to very flavorful to spice the food. Now I get this from the fishes, so the head, the bones, any other thing that I might not necessarily put in the food. Yes, that's what I do. So this is the dried fish from King's Fish. Even the skin, everything goes in as well. So I just blend that and I get this fish powder that can stay for days. You can also mix it with crayfish or bonga fish and any other thing, and just bottle it and keep it. Really flavorful. Next thing is the star of the show, the dried fish. This dried fish is from King's Fish. As you can see, I've already deboned them. Now this fish comes in packs of 6 for the small ones, as you can see, and it goes for 5,000. Then the big ones are 3 inside, and they also go for 5,000. Now if I tell you that these fishes are very sweet, very flavorful, just believe me, and it's very clean. I'm going to leave the link so that you can order if you want. It's really tasty, really sweet, and this fish is from King's Fish. So yeah, these are all the cuts that I'm going to use for this porridge. And of course I'm going to need my red oil, palm oil. This is from Nsukka, straight from Enugu. And then my spices that I'm going to be using for this, I have my seasoning cubes, my salt, curry powder, turmeric, what else is in here? Salt, curry powder, turmeric, ginger, and garlic and ginger. So that's all. This is my crayfish powder, and then now we get to cooking. So the first thing I do is put all the yams and plantains. This is the first time I'm making them together, so we'll see how it turns out. So putting the yam and plantain together in the pot, and then I'm going to follow up with my palm oil. I'm just going to pour this over the plantain and the yam. Make sure you get everything out. We don't want to be wasteful. Now when I done putting this in, I'm just going to rinse out the blender that we used to blend the pepper and onions and just pour them right into the pot. Then my fish, of course, because it's really super soft. Then the fish powder and the crayfish goes in. Basically you put everything inside at the start. Then our unbreakable seasoning cubes, they're becoming so hard to break these days, so I'm just going to use 2 cubes because all of the spices are already enough. And then I'm putting in pepper and onions, my blended pepper and onions. So I'm not going to put in so much because I want to control it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything together, let them get to know themselves in there, and I'm going to add my water, of course. Mix, let them do like a meet and greet in there. And then I'm going to follow up with my oyster sauce because something fishy going on here, just a tad. We don't want it overpowering the local taste. So yeah, have that in there and just give it a quick stir. Then I'm going to cover my pot and let this simmer. It's going to cook for not for long, really, just until the yams and plantains are soft, which is about 25-30 minutes. And because they're really like small cuts, they're going to cook really quick, and that's it. And when I tell you guys this was so yummy, believe me, it was really yummy.